welcome back to Zola's Feast. For my regular subscribers, hi guys, welcome home. Anybody new, please make sure you subscribe right now. Remember that delicious lamb stew I showed you how to make in this video? Yes, today I'm taking it up a notch and I'm making Dombolo, yes, delicious fluffy steamed dumplings to go on top of that stew or any stew you like. Right, let's cook. In a large mixing bowl, combine flour, yeast, sugar, and salt. Then give that a good mix. Then add enough lukewarm water to form a soft dough. When the dough starts to come together, tip out onto a clean surface. Then use your hands to knead the dough. Sprinkle with a bit of flour if it does get sticky. Knead until the dough is smooth and elastic. Once your dough is beautifully kneaded, all you need to do is drizzle some oil into a bowl. Swirl the dough in there to make sure it's all covered, just so we don't form a skin on that dough. Then cover, and now this is going to rise in a warm place until it's doubled in size. Once the dough has risen, you want to knock it back by kneading it back to its original size. Then it's time to shape and form the dombolo. So take pinches of dough and roll them into tight little balls. The size of the balls is up to you. Just make sure they're even. You've got all your dough balls shaped. Cover them and just leave them to sit and rise once more on your counter for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the dough balls have rested, time to pop them into the stew. Now, you might want to do this in batches, depending on how many dombolo you have. Cover and simmer over low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes until the dombolo are fluffy and cooked through. And there you have it, another delicious feast for you to enjoy. Make sure you hit that like button. Please do leave a comment and let me know what you think of the recipe. As always, subscribe and join the Zola's Feast family. Until next time, I'll see you for another delicious feast. Bye guys.